Listen, I'm all for supporting our national team, rugby team. Women, men, disabled, gingers. Doesn't matter what your disability or your other ability is. I support you. But this new team, I don't know what silly buggers Rash is playing with. I think he's going through menopause or something like that. Firstly, not one true ginger player in a team. What type of nonsense is this? The gingers bring the aggression. When I get off the team bus, somebody just moves a bus driver. When I walk into the stadium, they take all the tickets what the ticket lady is selling, I tear them up. I'm telling you, we set the standard for who's going to get moved on a Saturday by the field where we play. Not one player from border. It's like we got the most rugby players in the whole of the earth by the world, and not one player is good enough. Rassie, is this true? I'm from border. I've still got my son's boots what I can lace up on Saturday. I'm ready. You must just give me a chance. I'm good for 7 minutes at half time. There's a lot of lekker snacks in a changing room. The other thing is not one player from the R. Dispatch, Komiki, okay, Brakpan, even Etzebeth represents all guys from Brakpan, even Rise from the Cape. But anyway, silly buggers, there's not one LGBTQ player, not one them. There's no Indians. Where's the Indians in the team? I can't believe it. This team is not represented. We're going back to the old South Africa. I'm telling you now, full of Bliksemse Dutchmen, full of Souties, not one single oak from Botswana is in the team. I refuse to support this Bliksemse. It's an absolute joke what they're making of rugby these days. Please, man. Please, Rassie, plans.